Hello all, my name is Krishnayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this particular video, I'm going to show you all the gadgets that I use for my YouTube recording. And remember guys, these all gadgets were just not bought in first day. Whenever I required for a specific purpose, then only I have bought. So let's go with the first one. This is called as gimbal. Gimbal is an amazing gadget itself, guys, because I used to do a lot of recordings from my mobile phones, probably just like a vlogging video and all. So usually what happens is that when we are doing vlogging, I used to use that specific stand itself that you can see over there. But and there were some problems with this stand also, because if you want to take a different angle photo or video, you are not able to do with the help of that. But with the help of this gimbal, it actually makes it possible, and your video recording experience will be pretty much smoother. Now I'll be doing the entire recording with the help of this particular gimbal only. So let's proceed. Guys, you can see that I'm doing the recording with the help of gimbal. This is pretty much amazing. I'm just holding its stand and automatically we can move to the left, we can move to the right, and we can actually go upwards, downwards, everything we can actually do in an amazing manner, which looks pretty much good in this, so that is the reason why I bought this. Now let's go to the second device. This is basically the Yeti mic that I had actually bought, because before I used to record all my videos with the help of headphones. So now I'm actually using this. I used to use this Yeti mic also, and now also I usually use this in podcast. This actually helps us to take care of the background noise and all. So here you can see the Yeti mic, and this usually Blue Yeti mic. So this usually cost me somewhere around 8 to 10k INR. And I think I had also made an unboxing video about it. Okay, so this is the first one, but still, I used to use this a lot. Then after that, just one fine day, I bought this particular headphones. Okay, so this headphone is my current headphone, which I usually used for recording. And if I talk about this kind of headphone, guys, it is pretty much amazing altogether. The best part of this particular headphone is that it also takes care, I don't know how, but it takes care of the background noise and all, because much background noise, if there is some background noise also, it will not capture it. So amazing. So based on this particular feedback, I also bought one more headphone, which is this. Both are of the same company. If you really want to know the company name is Cosmic Bytes. Again, very, very good, guys. Trust me. I think nowadays, if you see the recording of my videos, and definitely because of this particular headphones, I am able to actually record in an amazing manner. I'm able to do this particular thing, which is very much amazing, because before I used to have a lot of noise. Okay, so one example I can give you over here. Now see this one example over here. If I just press plus button, this play button, four things, but this entire recording is actually done with the help of this particular headphone. Okay, this particular headphone. But now I'm actually again currently I'm using these two headphones only. So I'll just pause this. And I used to also use this Yeti mic also, right? With the help of Yeti mic, you still get amazing quality, but just understand that you really have to do the setup and all. But in the case of headphones, I don't think so. You don't have to. You have to probably do all those things. So amazing altogether, amazing headphones itself. As I said before, I used to use mobile earphones, so which was again pretty much bad. The quality used to be very, very much bad. Now coming to the next one, after that I actually bought external hard disk. So because understand, I was uploading so many videos and I needed to keep the backup of that. So till now I have uploaded more than 1,000 videos, guys. So definitely this was also required. Okay, so this I'll just keep it aside, which I actually required it. Then came the time where I had to buy, and this is just my personal phone, guys, just a K20 Redmi. So not much. Just imagine that I'm using this for my personal purpose. Now this was the first time where I bought my own personal laptop, which is this Legion. So Legion personal laptop that I actually bought for my purpose, so that I'll be able to do the recording and all. This is the first laptop that I bought for myself, guys, and this unboxing video is also created. Everything is created for this, and it works absolutely fine. Only the problem is the battery, because this is quite a heavy machine. This is quite a heavy machine, and definitely if you have a heavy machine and if you do a lot of activities, your battery will not be able to give that much performance, right? So definitely this is the next thing. And again, it is very good that this laptop has really helped me to record some amazing videos itself, right? So this is the next one. Now if I go down, I'll close this. After buying this particular laptop, I also bought this camera, USB camera, and this is from Logitech. Amazing quality, guys. If you want to see the model number and all, I think I'll put the model number in the description. I don't remember the model number, but right now the quality videos that you see is because of this particular webcam. There is also one more thing that I want to include, is that writing pad. I've been using that specific writing pad from many days, okay? And that writing pad was also gifted by Sudhanshu, okay? Sudhanshu Koma. I did not buy that. It was gifted by him because he had one additional one, so I picked him from his house. And I picked it from his house and I came back, and then I told him, Sudhanshu, I've taken your writing pad. I'm just kidding, guys. He just gifted me. And apart from this particular mic which I used to use before, okay? But out of this, just understand, after buying that, I took my wife's iPad, okay? So I took my wife's iPad over here, and this iPad, I'm using it for studying purpose, we seeing videos purpose, seeing movies purpose and all. Comment over here, yeah? Saying that. And right now, guys, if I talk about this also, I've recently made a video that how I actually prepare my materials and all. Final thing I want to actually come up with is this specific headphones. Now right now I'm actually recording with the help of this particular headphone because it records well. Again, yes, it captures background noise, but it is much more better than the the normal. I cannot carry this headphone and go outside for recording, right? So I usually use this. This is also very cheap, somewhere around 2000 INR. This is from the company, these earbuds are from the company of Noise, okay? So yes, these are my overall things. And again, one major thing that I have is actually workstation, and that workstation I've already shown you in some other videos. So right now I'm not doing any much recording in this laptop. This laptop I have just gifted to my wife. She usually does her personal work and office work in this, and other than that I actually work in my workstation itself, okay? So this is it. One last thing which I really want to show is this particular person, okay? As you all know, guys, I'm a technology freak. So this is a iLife vacuum cleaner robot, and it works by itself, cleaning and all activities. I don't have time, so right now no charge is there. I'll keep it for charge and show you later on how it actually works. So automatically it will be able to clean and vacuum. It will also able to put the pocha, with the help of this. Everything it is able to do it, because I'm really much lazy in doing this kind of work. So I've also taken this for our work activities, because during the lockdown, no maids, nothing, right? So this person, this is just like our maid, who is helping us to do all this kind of work. Amazing. So here are all the devices that I have actually discussed. Now final thing from which I am doing the recording. This recording is actually done from my phone itself. This is the Asus phone, which again I was gifted this in my birthday. It was gifted by my dad. So this particular phone I usually use for the recording. Yes, this is it, guys. Just tell me, out of all these things, which tech gadget did you like? So I'll tell you the order in which I bought. So first I bought this, second, third, fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh, eighth. No, that is the first one, I guess. So I think first both these things were there. Okay, so 7th, 8th, 9th, and finally 10th. So all these things were bought in this particular way. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel if you are not already subscribed. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.